Hey guys, it's Mushy. Yeah, I hope you can hear me right now. I'm recording the snowstorm that's going on right now. We got out of school early because of it, and it was awful. We got out at 1, and I got home at 2 because the bus ride was so long, and it took forever for everyone to figure out where they were going and stuff. I knew I was riding the bus, but yeah, I'm recording out of my bedroom window, so yeah, sorry about that. And it's getting really bad. My mom is a writer, and she came home early from a book thingy today because the snowstorm. And she was supposed to stay for a long time. Oh, sorry, that's my hand. Yeah, stop putting my hand there. I hope you can see, like, all that snow that's going on. It's probably a lot worse in person than, like, in what you're seeing. See some more over here. It's still snow. Yeah, it's still snowing. Why can't you see it? Well, yeah, we haven't had any snow, and hence it started snowing like a couple hours ago, and we already have like a lot. So yeah, I guess. Yeah, I don't know what else to talk about. I'm hoping school will be canceled tomorrow, so I can probably make another video. Can you see all the snow? Look at the snow! Look at all the snow!